Assalamu alaikum everyone, ladies and gentlemen, haters and supporters, and welcome back to Luna Classic video update for Wednesday, 5th of October. It's crazy. The market looks pretty amazing right now. Okay, Luna Classic, Luna Classic. It's only Luna Classic every single day, everywhere. People are crazy behind the coin because ever since it came from $150 all the way to absolutely zero, we have seen some nice good investing opportunity. I've been doing these videos for quite a long time now. Those people who are listening, we were actually doing those updates down here when I said we're gonna go up there. Okay, so if I'm saying we're gonna go down here, it doesn't matter to me because the people who support me, some people think, why do they support these videos? It's because they have seen the work that was done here, the dirty work that we did here, the struggle that we did here to actually come all the way up here. There are some people who know that, so they don't even care if it's going down. They're actually excited if it does go down because we're looking to fill another bag. But maybe if you're someone new, you won't understand that. Anyways, let's move on to this today's update. Now there's a very important level at this very moment. Let's just remove all the drawings at the moment, and what Luna Classic is printing out is pretty something very positive at the moment, because you can say that perhaps this is some sort of a support right there, but I don't think. Oh, I was about to say it's very positive, but it's actually not, because on my second thoughts, this trend line seems like, you see, this was resistance, right? If I stretch that resistance line like that, I thought it was like this, but it's actually a little bit tricky. Do you understand? Some people want to actually put it down like that to feel good, but I would rather say that it's a little bit like that. Okay, just a little bit like that. Okay, that looks perfect, because that actually looks pretty straight to me more than like that to the downside. Okay, so we are in a little bit of a trouble right now for Luna Classic, and we are gonna see a squeeze happening very soon. I don't know if on the daily you do have a little bit of a pattern here that goes something like that, and you do have a little bit of squeeze something like this. So by tomorrow, 6th of October, actually you're gonna get some answers, maybe pop and continue to the downside. So tomorrow is gonna be very important. Actually, this gets even way more confirmed on the 4-hour time frame, where we have the EMA squeezing with one another. So what I'm gonna do is, bring this right over here, and what I'm gonna say is the following. Actually, if you look at this thing on the 4-hour time frame, it's actually like this. Okay, so yeah, on the 4-hour time frame it looks like that, and it doesn't look like straight like this. On the daily it looks straight, but I'm actually gonna go with the 4-hour time frame because we have more touches right there. So yeah, okay, it's a little bit of a support here, but we do have the EMAs coming up, and you can see that the EMAs are trying to squeeze with one another, and there's a pressure building up for Luna Classic. Right now the 10 and the 20 are coming down like just like that, and you can see the 55 is also coming up. So the daily, the pattern itself shows there's a little bit of a squeeze coming in, and the apex, the decision comes in by tomorrow, 5 o'clock in my time. And my take is maybe pop to the downside. Who knows? You can pop to the upside as well in here if you're gonna hold that support at the moment and try to go back up to 36, something like that. But maybe it's time we actually finally start to move to the downside. What I'm going to do is remove that EMA, and I'm going to actually drag this trend line again. So this is what I'm going to do. That's one support right there. We do have this upper resistance coming in, so it's going to be something like that. Okay, so here we go. Okay, so that actually takes you perfectly to tomorrow's until 6th of October. So what is it gonna be? What are you gonna do for the coin itself? If I actually dive into the daily, you're gonna see that how that looks like. Okay, so it looks something like that as well. So the squeeze is coming in. There's an evening star as well, which is a bearish pattern. Some people are saying that this is a pretty amazing. Now, let's say that you're holding support, which is actually a good thing. All right, which is actually an amazing thing. This is your support. This is actually a bullish spinning top, by the way, and you're making that bullish spinning top right off the support level, which is not a bad sign, which is actually a good sign, and you can end up popping to the upside and try to move back up. Okay, so how do you trade this? In my opinion, a stop loss can be placed down at 29950, and if you come down below 29950, not only are you going to lose the support, but you're going to break the lowest part of that bullish spinning top, and from there it's easier to actually start to move to the downside. Now, for a long time, it's been weeks, maybe 2.5 weeks, maybe 2 weeks, I haven't made any trade of Luna Classic. Okay, the only thing I remember is that I told people down here back on my Discord a long time ago to buy with maybe 30, 40, $50 down here. Okay, and a lot of people actually did that. So the ones who actually did that, you can see that, you know, they're still like 380% move up. But in here, I'm still looking to buy more, but I'm just not finding that entry point for my second purchase because I need to accumulate a little bit more. Now, this is not my buying zone, but my buying zone is rather much lies down here. Can I actually get it down there? I don't know. Can it go up? I'm still lucky I got some. Either way, I win. It's a win-win situation for me. Goes up, I win. It goes down, I'm buying more. So the thing is, can it go down though? It's a technical target, and I want to see it go down to actually get a little bit of a discount. I don't know why people are bothered when I say I want it to go down. I mean, come on, who doesn't like discounts? I want to get discounts. Even though I'm invested in it and I want it to go up, I need a little bit of a discount. So yeah, we're getting trapped into this triangle right now. It's time to go sideways, move sideways, and try to break it down. I do see maybe if you do try to come down to 29550 and take out 299550, then that's where you might be looking to drop even way more further down, and you might be creating some reversal wave to the downside. So I haven't talked about that one, but it's important we take the bottom here to the top, and we're gonna have to check 0.61. And exactly, I told you. You see, put that stop loss a little bit maybe down to 29623, because if you're gonna come and close below 29623, now listen this very carefully, put a tick here and you're gonna be looking for a reversal wave to actually drop down to 20,000. okay, so you're gonna come down to the 1.618 and retrace all the way down to that low right there. Okay, and there could be chances of going even lower, and you can see the 14,000 is at the 2.618, and that's all that I see. But I'm gonna give you a bad news if Luna Classic tries to come down to 7,913. You don't want to see Luna Classic go all the way down to those levels. Now at the moment you do have the whole scenarios. Based on these scenarios, I'm gonna trade. Okay, like if I had to keep it very, very simple, I want it to come down to 14,000. I'm gonna buy my second purchase and see if it for a long term as well. I'm in here for the long run, and that's pretty much it for this update on Luna Classic. Want to learn more? I do have a trading course. Check the link is in the description of the video, and I'm gonna see you the next one. Allah Hafiz.